It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! I am back. The sun is shining. It is almost like 63 degrees. It's still a little chilly out there because we're right on the lake and we get the lake breezes, but it feels like summer. So I am so excited. Check it out. Keep growing. This is the April Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm going to show you. I am part of Ipsy Open Studios, which means that Ipsy sent me both bags for free. And check it out. They have a recyclable bag this month. You know how much I love these bags. Like, these drawstring bags I use for everything. So this one's kind of got a neat texture to it, but it's got daisies on it. Look at these. This is the small one and this is the big one. So I don't know what to do first. I think we're going to do the little one first. Check it out. Look at the daisy on there. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to pull out my products from my little bag here. The first thing I got is the House Laboratories. Now, I wasn't sure if this went with the little bag or the big bag, because usually what Ipsy does is they send a big orange box, check it out, and not all the products are in the little bag, but usually it's 5 and 5. As I'm dropping stuff, you guys, I dropped my brushes, we're all good. But I think this might go with the little bag. I gotta find out about that. So, House Laboratories, I got the, what is this called? It's called Blaze. I think this is a lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. I'm actually already wearing lip gloss, but that's okay. I want to see what color this is. Oh my gosh. Open the other end, Bonnie. Okay. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at this. Check this out. Oh my gosh, this color is right up my alley. I like these kind of mauve pinky shades. No scent on this one, but I'm excited about this lip gloss. I don't think I can put any more lip gloss on. My lips are going to be sliding, but that is such a pretty shade. Look at that. I also got a 5-minute hair mask from Foxy Bay. Check that out. I always use these up. Those are great. 5-minute hair mask. I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow. It's the Dewdrops. Cute little sample there. I will try that. I always recommend getting the big glam bag. You're going to get bigger products in the big glam bag. I say go big. This is the Carmella Silk Matte Lipstick, although it's kind of neat we got some lip products in here. Oh my gosh. So check this one out. Oh, that's pretty. Nice neutral summer shade. So look at that one. This is more of, this is like a cream. That's pretty though. I am such a lipstick connoisseur. I have lipstick all over my makeup table. I love lipstick. Oh, this is cool. Okay, we got the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume Curl Mascara. I actually really love this formula. And you know me, I love the mini ones because I always throw my mascara out like every 3 weeks because I'm always worried I'm going to get like an eye infection. So that is cool. The big bag, check it out. I love this daisy bag. This is so cute. This is what fell on the floor. This is from, what is this from? Farrah. These brushes are so cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. Check these out. Okay, we got 4 brushes. The Glam Bag, I believe from Ipsy, they're $27 now for the monthly Glam Bag Plus and $13 for the small bag. Let me get the packaging off of these. I am so excited about these brushes. Look at these. They have daisies on them. Is this not the cutest brush set you have ever seen? I'm so happy I got new brushes. And then I got a blush. I know what this is because I opened this. This is from Mishio Beauty. Check this out. I'm going to put some blush on. Check it out, 4 shades. I like a nice blush palette because then you can kind of mix and match a little bit. It looks like we got a little bit of a mix of matte, and then there's like a. I'm going for the sparkle one on this one here. Let me see. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice, you guys. I look a little bit more cheerful now. Look at that. I didn't put much blush on this morning, but look at that. I like it. That is the shade Magnifique. Check that out. Oh, I like this. I love having, like I said, a blush palette so I can do kind of like a mix and mash. Okay, that was nice. Did I say mix and mash? Mix and match. I do that. I get ahead of myself. I also got, this is from Way. Is this the one? It's a body cream. Check that out. Got a little body cream going on there. What does it smell like? I always like to smell everything. Oh, that smells good. That smells really fresh. Okay, so I got a cream. And then, okay, let me get the lid on here, you guys. I also got a liquid kohl liner from Hip Liner. I'm going to get this one off. I can't use liquid liners. I don't know why. I always make a mess. They are not for me. And then I got Butter Tea Tree and Aloe Mask Scrub. I'm actually excited about this because triple action clay mask, foam cleanser, and deep exfoliator. This looks amazing. So really neat bag from Ipsy this month. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending me this. I will have more Ipsy coming into the coming months. I'm excited. I always get excited when I get my Ipsy Glam bags for the month. So anyway, let me know what your favorite product is. I think in the little bag, it's the Wander Beauty Mascara because I really needed some mascara. I'm really liking both of these lip shades. And, of course, the brushes and the palette, I think, are my favorites in the big bag. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.